I'm going to show you 3 claw clip hair tutorials that you can do with long hair. I call this first one the flip through because you put your hair in a ponytail, split it, pull that up, but not all the way through, just pull it up enough that it makes kind of a bun, tuck in that little end however you can, and boom, put the claw clip over. This one is very secure. This is the XL Summer Claw Clip, and now I'm doing a French twist. This is probably the most classic claw clip hair tutorial. It looks so clean. You can tuck it up as neatly as you would like. And then boom, put the claw clip over. And this one is my go-to. It's my absolute favorite. I just think it looks the best, and you can do this with long hair or short hair. This last claw clip hairstyle is supposed to be very messy. You put your hair in a bun, and then with the rest of the hair, you kind of form somewhat of a bun to match the rest, but really just throw it up, make it look messy. And this one I love because you can use any size claw clip to do this hairstyle. You can purchase any of these claw clips on my website, sunkissedandblue.com. Thanks for watching.